For this job, we are applying a pre-made edge banding setup file. This file may be changed at any time so that during processing, the bid, cut list, and process CNC will reflect whatever is in the setup file. Within that file is defined the edge banding and laminate required for each of our standard and custom parts. Cabinet Pro will automatically apply all edge banding to those sides of each part requiring edge banding during the processing of our finished job. Notice we have defined two different edge banding materials for the unfinished ends of our wall cabinets, while defining but one material for the front and top of unfinished ends for base cabinets. We will see the significance of this later. This automatic and very custom placement of edge banding that comes from our setup file will be automatically applied to each part during design and will be part of the bid, part of the cut list where the letters F and T that you see refer to front and top, and part of CNC processing as is shown on the simulator where all machining is automatically moved closer to the side of a part being edge banded according to the thickness of the edge banding on that particular side. In addition to our user-defined labels showing the color and location of edge banding, our panel optimizer also shows which side of each part is being edge banded by highlighting the side and or labeling the side, which in this case is colored red. Here you can see one side is cherry while the other two are white for one of the unfinished ends of a wall cabinet, while on an unfinished end belonging to a base cabinet we have two sides being edge banded with cherry, which was defined in the setup file that we saw earlier. We can change if and how our edge banding is displayed during optimization by pressing the Show Hide Edge Banding command button. If we type the word name here and select to view 6 letters, then, as we have already seen, Cabinet Pro will display 6 letters of the actual name of our edge banding as it appears in inventory. If we enter anything else here, such as letters or the 3 slashes that have been entered, then Cabinet Pro will display whatever letters or symbols we entered to designate the edge banding on each of our parts. We can also change the color of our edge banding designations. If we uncheck the box that inserts our edge banding designation, then Cabinet Pro will not display the text designating edge banding. If we uncheck the box that draws a line at the edges being banded and then recheck the box to use the edge banding designator, then the lines will not be drawn, but the designator will be displayed. And if we uncheck both boxes, then edge banding will be ignored in our optimizer. Pressing the Save Preferences button will both save your changes and apply them to the current optimization.